Hello friends, this is Jim with Science Talk. I want to talk to you about something you probably didn't know you had. Did you know you have a second brain in your butt? And it's smarter than you think. Okay, seriously though, it's not a literal brain, but it is a collection of an autonomous matrix of neurons. And these neurons control intestinal muscle movements without any help or assistance from your central nervous system. And they're not in your butt, but they're in your colon, okay? The large intestine. Okay? The large intestine is any undigested food material passes from the small intestine after whatever can be absorbed from the small intestine. The undigested material passes into the colon, moves up the ascending, across the transverse, down the descending, into the sigmoid, and out the back end. Okay. Scientists refer to this site. Scientists refer to this site of colon intelligence, quote unquote, your enteric nervous system. And it can function without instructions from the brain or spine. Hence the term second brain. How smart is this autonomous intestinal brain? Well, maybe smarter than previously thought. So a study that appeared in the journal J Neurosci discusses this. The enteric nervous system, ENS, contains millions of neurons essential for organization of behavior of the intestine. And this is the folks that did this research, a team of researchers from Australia. They were able to directly observe this ENS up close firsthand working on mice. So researchers stimulated isolated mouse colons with mild electric shocks, and they saw a novel pattern of rhythmic coordinated neuronal firing that corresponded directly to muscle movements in nearby sections of the large intestine. These rhythmic, synchronized bursts of neuron activity likely helps stimulate specific sections of intestinal muscles at a standard rate. This ensures that colonic muscle contractions, also known as colonic migrating motor complexes, keep fecal matter moving in the right direction out of the body. Kind of important. And at a steady pace. And as this is happening, by the way, there's the final absorption of water from the fecal matter, so that it doesn't just come out as what happens when you have diarrhea, as a big splash. On the other hand, if it absorbs too much water, then constipation is the result. And that can also be not too pleasant. So the researchers continue to state this revealed that activity in the ENS can temporarily coordinate muscle activity over significant distance along the length of the colon. Now, here's the fascinating part. According to the researchers, similar synchronized neuron routines are also common in the early stages of brain development. This could mean that the pattern they identified in the colon is a primordial property held over from the early stages of the enteric nervous system's evolution. But it could be even more important because some scientists hypothesize the enteric nervous system actually evolved before the central nervous system did. The neuron firing pattern in your colon might represent the earliest functioning brain in your body. So yes, if that hypothesis is proven to be correct, then the brain in your butt could be your first brain, not your second brain. If true, you could say mammalian brains evolved first to move poop and then take care of other issues. Right? You got to clear out the crap. Right? I can't resist it. Talk about having shit for brains. Anyway. So this is the first time, though, that this mechanism has been detected, and so far only in mice. So because of, you know, evolution and all the evidence and comparative anatomy and so on and so forth, it is more than likely that such other complexes will be found in other mammalian species. Okay? So, and that's the next step that these researchers will probably embark on. So, the next time someone accuses you of being a wise ass, you can just smile at them. Okay. Very interesting bit of research there I wanted to share with you, and a little lighter story from some of the other stories I've been covering as of late. Thank you for your time. We'll talk soon. Hey folks, just a reminder to please subscribe and click the bell so you know when I drop a video. Please share my videos. Please tell others of my channel and of the work that I do. I also hope that you will consider becoming a patron at patreon.com/Science Talk with Jim Massa, where from time to time I upload videos there exclusively for my patron subscribers. Details in the description box below.